you're using butter, you can also use olive oil. Now pour your eggs, the 2 cracked eggs, in there. Now use your tortilla wrap to cover the egg like this. The liquid part of the egg is going to bind the two together. Give it a little press. Now it is time for you to flip the egg. So flip nicely, and we are going to top it up with some goodies. So I started off with some cheese. I am using shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can also use cheddar cheese as well, or any cheese of your choice. And I top it up with my tomatoes, followed by the spinach. Just use as much as you want, okay? And the baking bits. Now you're also going to add more cheese. At this point, you can choose to use any sliced cheese if you want, or you can mix cheeses. I am using mozzarella like I said, so use any cheese that you prefer. And then you fold it in half, add a little bit more butter on the side, and let it brown a little bit. If any of your goodie come out like mine was, just tuck it in and give it a flip. It's becoming really nice. I am just going to add a little bit more butter. You just want it to brown a little bit. Now it's time for you to give it another flip. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful color. If you are the only one having breakfast, your breakfast is ready. If you are two, then you're going to whisk